Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Tech Rudranshi. In this tutorial, I will show you parallel axis scrolling using jQuery plugin. So before to write a code, I want to show you a quick demo and then we will write a code. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is parallel axis scrolling? The parallel axis scrolling is when you scroll the page, right? And this is the element. These elements are moving on different speed. That's called parallel axis scrolling, right? So this we will do by jQuery plugin, which is parallax.js, right? And its link is available on GitHub. I will put a link in a video description so you can come here and read more about it, right? So let's create a project and understand cool parallax scrolling, right? So let's get started. This is my plain blank empty project, right? So we need two CDN links, right? First is jQuery and second is the parallax.min.js, right? Here it is. So this is a jquery.min.js and second is the parallax.min.js. So we have to copy these two CDN links and add to our project, right? So let's copy and paste like this. And the second thing, we need to one more element, which is this one. Let's copy this line of code. Let's copy and paste it here, right? So it takes us few attributes, right? It has a class parallax window. Second attribute is data parallax on scroll. When we scroll the page, this event will be happen, right? And third thing is data image src. So data image src is our image path. So currently we don't have any image in our project. So what we have to do, we need one jpg and png image and any image type, right? So already I have a image which is pg.jpg on my desktop. Let's copy this one and paste inside in our project, right? So now we have bg.jpg. So this image we have to set a path of data image src. So our image name is bg.jpg, right? So control S for save, right? And one more setting we have to do in css. So let's copy this class like this, control C for copy and put it style tag, style style, and styles tag should be closed. And this is a class, so put it dot and class name. So what the next we need to do, it's a minimum height, mean height, it's a minimum height is 400 pixels, right? And background is transparent. So now we need to run these applications and see its output, right? So this is my application, localhost, and project name is tutorial. And when we enter, you can see this is our background image. This is our parallax element, right? Where we have to point the parallax, right? So this is the element, right? But currently our page doesn't have a much content, so we not able to scroll our page. So what we have to do, there are two possibilities. First is you have to add more and more content to scroll the page, and second is you have to add an element like this for understand parallax div, and div should be closed and make its a height, height is, suppose we want to 600 pixels, so page will be scroll nicely. Control S for save and let's refresh. So when you scroll, you can see the image, this is an element are moving on a different speed like this, right? You can see, right? So let's put cool parallel axis scrolling using jQuery. This is a heading level, so let's put it h1 and paste. Control S for save and let's refresh. You can see. So that's called parallax, and we have done by parallax.js. This is jQuery plugin, right? So pretty much we have done. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye, take care. Oh, one thing I forgot, I am also uploading videos on Hindi on my channel, Techni Tool Hindi. So please visit this channel and like, share and subscribe, right? So all the videos on Tech Rudranshi have a English version, but Techni Tool have a Hindi version, so all the video will available in a Hindi. So you should visit this Techni Tool. So thanks for watching. We will uh, come in next video. So thanks for watching. Bye, take care, have a nice day.